Yes, very good evening. Elaga unnaru meeru andru bagunnara? So, how many of you have seen me in the Vijayawada seminar, tutors seminar? Yes, I can see a lot of you have joined KGBV, Esther Rani. Yes, Selva, Sri Devi. There are a lot of tutors who have joined. Yes, we'll wait for others to join. Another 2 minutes, and then we'll start our session. Right? Till then time in Q&A, you can let me know who all have attended my Vijayawada workshop. Yes. Can you type in the Q&A? Vijayawada workshop already attend చేశారు మీరు. నా తెలుగు చాలా బేసిక్ అండి. సో కైండ్లీ బేర్ విత్ మీ. నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకున్నారు. కొంచెం కొంచెం తెలుసు నాకు. రైట్. Yes. I'm waiting for everyone to join. I can see many of them are joining. Yes. Right. So I guess none of you have attended the workshop because I didn't get any answers from your end. So I assume you all are newly attending this workshop, right? Okay, we'll wait for one more minute and then I will start with the session. Right. Okay. I guess we have good number of participants. Yes, I can see still people are joining in. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for taking this initiative to join this webinar, wherein you want to, get yourself updated. Congratulations, all of you. Okay, so we shall start with a wonderful quote written by George Corus. Yes, what is written over here? Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. ఎంత మంచిగా చెప్పారు కదా. Yes, no one can replace teachers. Yes, technology is there, but teachers cannot be replaced by technology, right? So, but if the great teacher has the technology also, just imagine the transformation. ఎంత బిడ్డ all the students ఎంత లైఫ్ మీరు ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తావు లేదు. So if you hand in hand, you're a great teacher, no doubt in it, but మీకు టెక్నాలజీ వైజ్ కూడా మీకు మంచిగా తెలుసు అంటే మీకు ఇంకా బాగా మీరు లైఫ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తావు కదా. రైట్? యు అగ్రీ విత్ మీ? Yes. If you agree with me, just put a thumbs up and you can type in the Q&A. Right. So why are we here today? So we all, teach and write on the blackboard. I've also written now on the whiteboard, whatever message I wanted to convey you. But don't you agree with me that since it's a digital world now, children learn very quickly. And when they see something, visually, the impact is far better. Kada. Visual ga చూస్తావంటే స్టూడెంట్ చాలా మంచిగా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేస్తావు కదా. సో టుడే మీకు సైన్స్, మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్ని మీకు ఎలాగా మీరు విత్ గేమిఫికేషన్ ఎలాగా యూ కెన్ ప్రెసెంట్ యువర్ క్లాస్ అది నేను ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తాను. All right, so not without any further delay, I shall share my screen. మీరు నోట్ చేయండి ఏ సైట్ లో మీకు ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంది, ఏ సైట్ వెళ్తావంటే మీకు ఏ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఉంది అన్ని మీకు you can take a note of it. Any doubts? You want me to go still slow? అని చెప్పండి నాకు. మీకు ఏం డౌట్ అని అంటే హ్యాండ్ రేస్ చేయండి. ఏమంటే మీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఉందంటే అక్కడ అడగండి. All right, I'm here to answer you. So basically my name is J. Soni Lalchandani and I'm an English teacher. So today I will be presenting you the game simulation of science, maths and English. Right, so let's begin. I'll share my screen. So here we go. Right. The first side, what you're going to see is, okay. Can you see my screen? Yes. I guess you are able to see my screen. Yes. So over here, I'm going to Google. First, we are going to go to OLabs. OLABS, Amrita OLabs, edu.in. I'm just giving an enter. Right? Is my screen visible? You can let me know if my screen is visible. Right. So over here, you can see various subjects are there. Physics undi, chemistry, biology, maths, language, science, language ante anni, science, social science, computer, anni ikkada undi. మీకు ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీకు కావాలో మీకు ఇటు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నాకు సైన్స్ కావాలంటే మేము సైన్స్ లో క్లిక్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సైన్స్ లో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ క్లాస్ 8 లో ఇంకా ఇంత సిమ్యులేషన్ ఉంది. క్లాస్ 8 లో ఇంత సిమ్యులేషన్ ఉంది. మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ 7 లో ఉంది. ఓకే, క్లాస్ 8 లో ఉంది, క్లాస్ 6 లో ఉంది. సో ఇంత సిమ్యులేషన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో బేసిక్లీ మీకు ఏ సిమ్యులేషన్ ఇక్కడ కావాలా, మీకు క్లాస్ లో ఏం సిమ్యులేషన్ కావాలా అంటే మీరు యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ టు ఇట్ అండ్ షో ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. సో నౌ ఐ వాంట్ Amrita, this is, I want mechanism of breathing. So I want to do this simulation and show. So what I will do, I will click. So it is, this site is by the Indian government. Okay, it's funded by MeitY. Okay, and the project is being carried out by Amrita University and CDEP. Okay, so you can see over here the information has been given. Now what they have done is, you can see theory, procedure, animation, simulator, self-evaluation, resources, feedback. Anni ikkade undi meeku. మీకు ఏం కావాలా యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ థియరీ, మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఈ సిమ్యులేషన్ లో ఏముంది, ఆ థియరీ ఎంటైర్లీ యూ వాంట్ ద చైల్డ్ టు గో త్రూ అంటే యూ కెన్ ఎంటైర్లీ షో థియరీ. ఏముంది థియరీ, ఇక్కడ హ్యూమన్ రెస్పిరేటరీ సిస్టమ్ లో ఏముంది, మీకు nasal passage ఉంది, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, all this you can explain. After explaining all this, you can go to the procedure. ప్రొసీజర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మెటీరియల్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ఏమే మెటీరియల్స్ కావాలా మీకు ఒక రియల్ ల్యాబ్ లో ఏ మెటీరియల్స్ కావాలా అది కూడా ఇచ్చారు. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సిమ్యులేటర్ ల మీకు ఎలాగా ఏ ప్రొసీజర్ ఇక్కడ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఇచ్చారు. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, ప్లాస్టిక్ బాటిల్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ బ్లేడ్, మళ్ళీ 1 హోల్డర్ కార్క్, అన్ని ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఇస్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లిక్ ద సిమ్యులేటర్. Now I have clicked on to the simulator. ఇక్కడ చూడండి సిమ్యులేటర్ ఉంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అన్ని ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్ కు. ఇది ఏమి, ఇది ఒక బాటిల్. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమి, ఇక్కడ చెస్ట్ క్యావిటీ. అలాగా ఇక్కడ ఒక బ్లేడ్ ఉంది. You have a 1 holder rubber cork. You can see a Y-shaped glass tube. A Y-shaped glass tube elaga, idi trachea. It is bifurcating as a bronchi over here. Then you have the diaphragm, rubber sheet ikkada diaphragm, A, B anni balloon anni lungs ikkada. So ikkada we are giving them the description. Then how to do the experiment. Ikkada how to do the experiment is given. First what to do, click on the plastic bottle. So I am clicking on the plastic bottle. Okay, first step. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారు, క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద బ్లేడ్. నేను బ్లేడ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తా. ఏమైంది, ఆ బ్లేడ్ వీఆర్ కటింగ్ ద bottle with the blade. So we have a cavity now. That what is it? What is the cavity over there? It's a thoracic cavity or the chest cavity. Correct? Now we are inserting this. What is this? What instruction has been given? Click onto the 1 holded cork. So I'm clicking onto the 1 holded cork. Ainda akkada మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారు, క్లిక్ ఆన్ టు ద వై షేప్డ్ గ్లాస్ ట్యూబ్. ఇక్కడ గ్లాస్ ట్యూబ్ ఉంది. మళ్ళీ we have to now our over here the trachea and the bronchi is ready. Now we have to insert the lungs over here. Insert the balloon, I mean A and then B. Okay, now we are going for the B. Ainda, now it's ready. Now what are we going to do? We are going to insert into the chest cavity. Okay, the thoracic cavity or the chest cavity. Yes, now it's all ready. Yes, so the windpipe, yes, from here it's coming down and bifurcating, right? Now we will cover it with our diaphragm, the rubber sheet, and put onto a rubber band. Now what they are saying over here, can you see a next button over here? The setup is ready now. If you want to do this in the real lab, just imagine all this you have to sit and do. But over here, you can ask every student to come and do it over here. Once you explain in the class, you can ask every student to come and do the same steps. So when they are doing, as you would have heard from Nagarajan sir, that when two people are going in the bike, the person who's riding the bike will get more experience of how to go about the routes. The behind person, sometimes he may miss out on some routes because he is not driving the bike very, attentively. But the person who's driving the bike is very attentive and he knows the routes. Likewise, the student who's coming and doing the simulation on its own, the student వస్తావంటే వచ్చి ఈ సిమ్యులేషన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తావంటే దానికి ఎంత మంచిగా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేస్తావు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్, right? Even though we draw on the board and show also, it won't be so much that impact it will not create. But here you're creating an impact. So I'm clicking on the next button. We'll see what is happening. ఏమైంది నెక్స్ట్ పుల్ డౌన్ చేస్తామంటే ఏమైంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ we have to pull down the rubber sheet. Okay, I'm clicking onto it. What are the changes you are thing? The balloons is expanding. Why? ఇక్కడ reason అక్కడ ఉంది. Why are the balloons inflated when we pull down the rubber sheet? ఎందుకు అది rubbers inflate అయింది? Okay, why is the space of the bottle decreases so the air passes through the y-shaped glass, or the space of the bottle increases so that the air passes through the balloon? The rubber sheet provides the air to inflate the balloons. Which is correct in this? So our reason daaka understand avadu kada, the space of the bottle increase ayindi. Okay, so the air passes through the balloon. Okay, so when we can ask the child to click. If supposing child clicks wrong, ఇప్పుడు second answer right, wrong click చేశారంటే no problem, దాన్ని మళ్ళీ ఇంకా ఒకసారి అండర్స్టాండ్ చేస్తారు, కరెక్టా? So we will click the right answer. The space of the bottle increases, right? Okay, now what we can do is, now we can show them again. Now click onto the downward hand. Now what we are doing, we are clicking on. What is happening? The balloons are getting deflated. Now again, why this is happening? Akkada reason aduttavu. Why do the balloons get deflated when the rubber sheet is pushed upwards? Why? Enduku balloons deflate అయిపోయింది చెప్పండి. The first option, Amy, the space of the bottle decreases and the air increases through the Y-shaped glass tube. Lekapode second one, the rubber sheet gives more pressure in and around the balloons. Or the third option, due to the insufficient space in the balloons, they start to deflate. Idile edu correct. So the first one, the space of the bottle decrease, space at the chest cavity undi kada, the space decrease and the air release ayindi through the Y-shaped glass tube, and andike adi deflate avtavu. Okay, so this first one is the right option. So with this, we will again show them what is inflation and what is deflation. Okay, right. So we are giving them a comparison. రెండు కంపారిజన్ ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తావు స్టూడెంట్ కు. ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అయింది, మళ్ళీ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్ కంపారిజన్ మీకు బిడ్డకు మీకు చూపిస్తావు. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఇన్హలేషన్. ఓకే, ఇన్హలేషన్ అంటే ఏమి ఇప్పుడు చూస్తావా? అప్పుడు క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఏమైంది? ఇన్హలేషన్, రైట్. సో ఇన్హలేషన్ ఏమైంది చూడండి, అక్కడ బలూన్స్ విల్ గెట్ inflated. So when you pull down the rubber sheet, we can see the diaphragm moves downward. The chest cavity increases and air enters into the lungs. This is only inhalation, right? Now what is this? ఇప్పుడు క్లిక్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? balloons deflate అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకు? When we push the rubber sheet upwards, the diaphragm moves downward. then the chest cavity decreases and the air is forced out of the lungs. Okay? Ainda? All right. So conclusion ikkada undi chudandi. The above experiments simulates the respiratory system of human beings. The balloons are represented as human lungs, which describe the inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, what happens? The diaphragm moves downward and the chest cavity increases in size, so the air enters the lungs. Malli, during exhalation, the diaphragm moves upwards and the chest cavity decreases in size, so the air is forced out of the lungs. So, anni meeku experiment chusi, malli explanation kuda meeku inta manchiga istaru. All right. So, how do you think this experiment will impact the children? Yes. Any suggestions or anything you can want to give me in the Q&A? Any questions? Yes. So the site is amritaolabs.edu.in, right? Right. So shall I go to the next? Yes. Can we go to the next? Yes. Now what we will do is, now we will see one more simulation. Probably, shall we see maths or shall we see science itself? Okay, shall we see something in biology? Okay, let's see something. What can we see possibly? Shall we see study of osmosis? Can we see this one? Yes. So, ikkada kuda chudandi. Meeku theory undi, procedure undi, animation, simulator, anni undi. Ippudu theory le ikkada anni icharu meeku. Elaga osmosis is the process in which solvent molecules move through the semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration until the amount of the fluid is equalized on both the sides of the semi-permeable membrane. Ikkada chudandi, ikkada diagrammatic representation kuda undi, ikkada concentrated sugar solution undi, ikkada dilute sugar solution undi. In the middle, you can see semi-permeable membrane is there. And what happens in osmosis? Water molecule pass through the semi-permeable membrane. So you can see over here, the liquid has, the solvent has moved from the, higher concentration to the lower concentration. All right, so a lot of information is being given. What is hypotonic? What is hypertonic? Everything, all this information has been given over here. You can teach them all this concept and then go to the simulator. Over here also, how to handle the simulator. The procedure also has been given over here. In real life, elaga potato, మీరు తీస్తావు మళ్ళీ అది కట్ చేసి ఎలాగా షుగర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫిల్ చేస్తావు అది అన్ని కూడా ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. సిమ్యులేటర్ ప్రొసీజర్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ రియల్ లైఫ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఉంది, సిమ్యులేటర్ ప్రొసీజర్ కూడా ఉంది. ఎలాగా సిమ్యులేటర్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, టు ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్ ద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ షుగర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇన్ ద పెట్రీ డిష్. సో పెట్రీ డిష్ లో మీకు ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలా డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలా మీకు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. అలాగవే ఇక్కడ పొటాటోలో కూడా షుగర్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలా డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలా మీకు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి, క్రాస్ సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ చేయాలి. అంత తర్వాత మీకు ఒక పిన్ అక్కడ నుంచి ఒక పిన్ డ్రాగ్ చేసి అక్కడ పెట్టాలి. మళ్ళీ టైం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఆ తర్వాత ఏం అబ్జర్వేషన్ అయిపోయిందో ఒక పిన్ ఇంకా ఒక పిన్ అక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి, అబ్జర్వేషన్ లేటర్. అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఏం మీకు టెన్షన్ లేదు, అన్ని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అక్కడ ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను సిమ్యులేటర్ కు వెళ్తా. ఇప్పుడు సిమ్యులేటర్ కు వెళ్తావంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఉందా ఆస్మాసిస్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఉంది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఒక క్లాక్ ఉంది, టైమర్ చూడాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఒక పొటాటో ఉంది. పొటాటోలో ఇన్సైడ్ ఏముంది, అక్కడ ఒక క్యావిటీ అంటే ఒక హోల్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఒక పెట్రీ డిష్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెయ్యాలి అని ఇక్కడ 2 nails ఉంది. సో ఫెమిలియరైజ్ విత్ దెమ్ విత్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ది ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ and for what it is there also you can explain if you want to. It is up to you how you want to do it. And then we are going to tell how the potato cavity should be almost inside. It should not be very high, and the cavity should not be very, it should be correct, so that the water can penetrate like that. And so over here the potato is there, and see over here in petri dish, this petri dish, how much? Select the sugar concentration. మీకు ఎలాగ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ బటన్ ఉంది. మీకు ఏ షుగర్ కాన్సంట్రేషన్ 10 కావాలా, 5 కావాలా, 20 కావాలా, 25 కావాలా, మీకు అక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు 10 కావాలి. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చింది, వాటర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ 90 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఆల్ రైట్. ఇప్పుడు పొటాటో చూడండి, ఇన్ పొటాటో సెలెక్ట్ ద షుగర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్. ఇప్పుడు పొటాటోలో ఎంత మీకు షుగర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ కావాలా సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి, చెప్తావు. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆరో మార్క్ ఉంది కదా, సే ఐ వాంట్ ఓవర్ హియర్ 20, నాకు 20 కావాలా. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, వాటర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా 80 వచ్చింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమి వాటర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ 90 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ వాటర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఏముంది 80 ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎలాగ తెలుసు పైన ఎలాగా ఉంది? ఇప్పుడు రియల్ పొటాటో అంటే మీకు కెన్ యూ సీ అక్కడ హౌ ద లిక్విడ్ ఇస్ దేర్, హౌ ద సాల్వెంట్ ఇస్ దేర్? కెన్ యూ సీ? యూ కాన్ సీ, బట్ ఓవర్ హియర్ యూ క్యాన్ షో ఇట్. ఎలాగా? క్రాస్ సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ ఉంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు నేను చూపిస్తాను, చూడండి. చూస్తావా మీరు? ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇలాగా ఉంది చూడండి, ఆ పొటాటో ఫుల్ ఉంది, నీకు తెలియదు పైన ఎలాగ ఎంత లిక్విడ్ ఉంది అంటే నాకు తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్లిక్ చేసారు, చూడండి, క్రాస్ సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ క్లిక్ చేశారంటే పైన చూడండి, పొటాటో పైన ఇన్సైడ్ ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు వ్యూ ఇట్. కరెక్ట్? సో దాట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ బై దిస్ వర్చువల్ ల్యాబ్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తారా, మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నీకు ఇక్కడ ఈ నేల్ తీసి ఇక్కడ మార్క్ చేస్తావు, ఇంత లెవెల్ ఉంది ఆ పొటాటోలో. ఓకే, రైట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెవెల్ ద సాల్వెంట్ ఇస్ దేర్, దట్ ఇస్ షుగర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఇస్ దేర్, రైట్? సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ నౌ, ఐ విల్ డూ ద స్టార్ట్. నాకు అన్ని సెటప్ ఇప్పుడు రెడీగా ఉంది, నేను ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ బటన్ కి క్లిక్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఉల్లా? యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ద చిల్డ్రన్, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? డూ యూ థింక్ will it rise or will it decrease? What will happen? You can ask. So they all will be curious to see what is going to happen. Okay, shall we start the experiment? Yes. So we are going to start. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ క్లాక్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ క్లాక్ మూవ్ చేస్తావు, మళ్ళీ ఎంత సమయం అయింది అక్కడ చూడండి, 2 hours అయింది. 2 hours అయిపోయిందంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీరు నేల్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టారు కదా, ఎంత ఇక్కడ upward, it's come more, right? Yes, so I'm clicking on to the nail to mark the second marking. Now what is the inference over here? The inference is given, osmosis has occurred over here. Okay, osmosis occurs here. It is the movement of solvent water from the what is representing higher concentration to the region of the lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Okay, so ainda meeku? Yes. Okay, so I will come back. All right. Sorry for the inconvenience. My camera got switched off. Is it visible, sir? Am I visible? Yeah. Can I see what doubts you have given me in the question answers? All right. I can see 145 participants are there. Right. Right. So let's now again conclude it. Yes. There was some disturbance. I'm extremely sorry. Is my screen visible? Can someone tell me on the chat box, is my screen visible? Yes. Is my screen visible? So, okay, now what we will do is now what happens over here is the potato will gain water and it will become more firm and its mass will increase, right? So here, now what we are going to do is we are going to select the sugar solution over here. We have kept 10. Now what we are going to do, we have to do reset. Let's do the reset. Okay. Where is my reset button? Right. Yeah. Can you see my reset? Now I'm going to do the reset. Now what happened? I'm going to do the reverse. Here I'm going to keep more. I'm going to keep 20. And here I'm going to keep over here 10. Okay. Can you see the water concentration is 80 over here and the water concentration is 90 over here. Now again, I'm going to view the cross-sectional view. And I'm going to pin this over here. The name. Okay. And I'm going to start the experiment. Start. So again, 2 hours I wait. In real life, if you're going to do it with the potato and all that, can you wait for 2 hours and ask the student to wait for 2 hours and see? It will not be much possible, right? So over here, what happens? You can easily see. Over here now, see, it has gone down. So what I will do is I will mark it with the, right? So this is how you get the inference. So over here, what happened? The potato will lose the water, and it becomes flaccid and shrinks in size or the mass. Okay. So water will move out of the potato cell into the surrounding solution. Right? Yes. So shall we go to the next? Yes. Can we go to the next? Is it clear? So in OLAPs now we have seen 2 experiments. Now can we go to another site? Yes. Is there any doubts? Should I come back to the thing and see? Is there anything for me you have typed? Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Thank you so much, Nirmal and P. Esther Rani. Please, thank you so much for your feedback. Yes, my screen is visible. Thank you so much. Yes. So now what we will do is, now you know OLAPs. Please do let me know how is the session. Do you want me to go more slow? Is it okay? Or you can let me know so I can tailor make my session accordingly. మీకు అర్థమైందా? నాకు ఇంకా స్లోగా అవుతావా లేకపోతే స్పీడ్ చాలా మీకు చెప్పండి. Yes, Mr. Nirmal and P. Esther Rani, you can also tell me about it. How do you like the session? How was the experiment? Are you seeing it for the first time? Are you aware of this OLAPs? Have you attended my session? Yes, I got a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All have given me a wonderful thumbs up. Thank you so much. Right. So let's go to the next site, right? Shall we do it? So shall I share my screen again? Yes. So I can see some questions. Right. Okay. Okay. So I will share my screen. Present, everything is fine, ma'am. Okay. Nirmal sir is saying, yes, everything is fine. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. All right. So I shall share my screen again and show you another site which is called FET. It is by the Colorado University. I shall share my screen. So again, I will close this. I will go to the FET. You type PHET, right? FET Colorado Edu. Okay, I'm putting enter. So now over here you can see in this, it's not like Amrita, like you get all the simulator, the procedure, everything you don't get, right? You will get over here only the simulations. If you have any doubt in operating the simulations, you can go to the YouTube and get to know more about how to go about the simulator. Okay. So yes. So over here, you can see over here also, they have given over here teaching, studio and research and all that. Over here, simulation. Now simulation, say I have shown you science 2 experiments. So shall we go to the maths? Shall we see something in math? So I'm going for math. Okay. So in math over here, these are the results available. You can see over here number pairs, mean, share and balance, projectile data, everything, Kepler's law, quadrilateral. There are so many things. Whichever is relevant to your topic which you are going to teach in that day's class, you can take it up. So over here, I'm clicking onto the center and variability. Right? Okay. Now, over here, you can see, I'll just zoom this up. Is it zoomed now? Yes. So over here, I'm choosing mean over here to show you all. Clicking onto it. You can see over here what all is distance, meter, not data, median is there. Over here, you can see there's a girl, kick one, kick, and here number line has been given over here. Then predict median, and 0 clicks. So now what I have to do, I just press this, click onto it, and maybe you can give it to her. Now, who is standing there? Rama is standing there. Shall we ask Rama to kick? Can we see where does it go? Yes, let's do. Come on, you can call your student and tell them, come on, let Rama kick. Help Rama kick. Okay, so I'm going to click. Okay, I'm helping Rama kick. Okay, Rama is 5. And then now who's come over here? Ramu has come. Shall we help Ramu? Yes, we can help him also. Now who's this? Maybe she's Sita. Okay, I'm giving her a name called Sita. 15. Now over here there was one ma'am called Rani. So I'm helping Rani to kick. Okay, she's in 2. Now this one again, one more name, Mridula. Okay, 5. So again, there's another boy. So you keep naming them and ask them to play memory game or who Ramu or Shamu, who kicked where and all that. Can kick. So I'm giving kicks. Okay. Now I've got certain data. Okay. So I have to first to find the median. What I do, I have to sort that from the ascending order. I have to sort it, right? Yes. So I will sort data. I will press this sort. See, it's arranged over there. Now I have to click on to the median. Simple is sorted. So generally what we will do, we'll click on to find 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Then we have 2 over here. When we have 2 even data, what we will do, we will add them and divide by 2 to get the median. So now what we will do, but over here, you just have to click on to that. You will get your data. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So that's what's shown over there, 4.5. Is it clear? Now shall we ask them to do 5 kicks? Shall we do that? Yes. So we will start again. Now I'm asking them to do 5 kicks each. Let's do that. See that? Can you see that now? The sorted data has been arranged in the ascending order, and then we have added the, the mean over here. The median is 4. I mean the median. What I'm talking about over here is the median. All right. Yes. Any doubts about anything you have to? So there are a lot of things where you can go and explore yourself. Just go into that, click on to that FET, and there also you will find, and in fact you have English also, math also, science also. You have lots to explore. Okay, even in O labs also you have English. As I showed you, there's lots of lot of subject, geography, lot of subjects are there. All right. So shall we go to English? Is there any doubts where I should clarify? Do you want me to repeat something? Please do let me know if you want me to repeat something. Yes. I will see if this is the first time, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. Same time we have both students, science class and teachers class. It's a little bit problem, ma'am. If you don't mind, I need this class once again. Yeah, sure. We'll surely have. We have I think we are going to have this, every week we are going to have. Sure, Esther Rani ji. Yes, we are P. Esther Rani. Yes, we are going to have it again and again for you. So we will definitely make a note of your, request, and we will definitely have more classes of this. Right? So shall we move on to English? So far, math, science and all, you happen to see it. Yes, because I had come in person to Vijayawada, and I did, what to say, in person, we did have teachers workshop. I think you were not there, Sir Rani. Right, no issues. We will keep, meeting you often like this. Right. So I will go on to English. Now, English, we are going to go to another site. So far we have seen OLAPs, Amrita OLAPs, and then we have seen FET. Now we will do word wall. Word wall, WORDWALL. I'm going to show you how we are going to go over there also. But for now, you can, you can explore, go home and explore it. Mobile is enough. If you have mobile is more than enough. You can explore in it and just work on it. Better to plan 2:30 onwards this class. Sure. We will keep an track on this. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, I understand, teachers. You have a long day. You have to wait after evening 4 and see the session. I do understand because I'm also a teacher. I just make a note of it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Anything else that's been given by Selva? All right. Thank you, Selva, sir. Right. So I will share my screen once again and we will go to the English activity. Thank you for making the session interactive. I really love to keep interacting and, talking to you all. Thank you so much. So we shall share the screen again. Now I go to I will search for word wall. WORD. Yeah, word wall. Enter. Now, when you click word wall, you will find over here community activities and create activities. If you are you have your own account, then you can create your activities also. So if you don't have your account, you can just type whatever activity word wall, whatever activity you want about preposition, you have to type preposition word wall activity. Like that, you have to type. Now I am I have WordWall. I'm a subscriber of WordWall. So my screen will come immediately like this. So now I'm searching. I'm going to the community. I have my own activities, but I am not showing you my activities as of now because you would learn to see what is there in the community, isn't it? So community means what? The tutors like us have created activities and kept over there. Okay, so any topic you want, even science, maths also is available in this. So community, you can search. So for example, today I want to teach preposition to the children. So I will type PREP prepositions and I will put enter. So I can see over here, there are a lot of prepositions over here. Okay. Okay. Preposition. Right. I can see a lot of activities here. Yes. So whichever activity I want to take up, I will take up and show. Right? See, you can see so many activities there are there relevant to preposition. You want to see show more also, you can show more and ask. Okay. Now I want to see. There are so many activities over here. Preposition of place, preposition of time. Now let's do this. Now here you have a zoom button when you can show your full screen over here. I'm going to start. Now over here, in, on, at. So usually what we do in English, we have to prepare a lot of flashcards or charts and all that and do it. But here you don't have to bother about that. You have to just do, you just have to, click whatever topic you want in word wall and it will be activity will be ready already. So now in. So we'll already teach the children in means what you have to do for in, like in means months, years, seasons and all will come means you will do in. On means dates, date, days, festival, and all will come means you will put on. At means the precise time, the clock time, the exact time is what we'll do on. This is what we'll be teaching beforehand. After teaching or while doing this activity also you can teach. Now this is 3 p.m. Is it at a precise time or exact time? Yes, it is an exact time. Come at 3 p.m. So I will use only at over there. So you can type in the chat box, where will the spring come? Where will spring come? Spring is a season, correct? So spring will come in. Correct. Over here, date is there. 23rd of Friday. So over here, you should see that Friday on 23rd of Friday. So you are teaching the children like this over in the class. Wednesday, come. All the days we have to put it under on. Wednesday, Thursday, whenever you see like that, you will put it on. Again, 7 o'clock. It's a precise time. So I will put it here at. Okay. Then over here, see winter. So winter, what happens? Winter is a, what is the season again? So I'll put in winter. Quarter to 6. It is a quarter to 6. 6 to become 6, there is more 15 minutes. Quarter to 6. Come at quarter to 6. At. It's a precise time. Okay. 6 a.m. Again, it's a precise time. It's a clock time. Sunday. On Sunday. I have to finish my assignment on Sunday, or I have to go to church on Sunday. 2025. It is a year. In 2025, what happened? I am in the, okay, I went to Mahabalipuram or wherever you want to get. December. Again, it is a month. Month will come in December. Sunset. Sunset again. You may ask, ma'am, what when sunset means? Children will ask you. At sunset. Sunset will happen at a specific time. Though it will happen in every place where different timings, but then it has a specific time. So at sunset only you will write. So I am getting a lot of answers in the question bank from you all. Thank you so much. So the morning, in the morning, Saturday will come on. Lunchtime. Lunchtime again at 12 noon is the lunchtime. At specific, 5:30. New Year, I told events, everything, it is on. On the New Year's Eve, we will go to cinema. Thursday. It's again a day. Afternoon. In the afternoon, in the morning. Night, you can say at night also. In the night also you can say. But at, only night means at night, you will say. So over here, night is not there, but I'm just saying summer is a season. Again, Monday, it's. So this is how you will tell them and you will submit the answers. So supposing I'm putting wrong answer over here, just imagine I'm putting wrong answer. The child is coming and putting summer here and Sunday here. It is the child is putting like this. The child has done one mistake. Okay, but you know for the fact as a teacher when he will give submit. Okay. See what will happen. It will show over here. See, Sunday is wrong and summer is wrong. Can you see that? You don't have to correct at all. As a teacher, your work is more. As a teacher, your work is going to be more easy because you don't have to correct at all. You are see answers. Show answers means it will give it the score. Out of 21, the child has got 19 marks. See over here, Sunday and summer. Then you will just click on to this correct answers. If you click on to that correct answers, the answers again will tell the student the correct answer. You don't have to correct also. See, correct answers. See, correctly summer came off here and then over here it went. So, your work, correction work also is easy. The child can come and self-assess. The student can come and self-assess. All right. So, this is how you can teach them for meaning. And after doing this, maybe you can give them some quiz. Okay, shall we have a quiz round? Shall we have a quiz round? Yes. Can we go back? Yes. Now this is how is there. Now I want to see some more on preposition. Can I do preposition? One more thing. Can I do it? Preposition of place, preposition of time. Yes, can I do this? If it is of preposition of time, in, on, and at, we can do. But over here, from, until, at, within also are there. So maybe you can avoid this now because you have taught the children only in, on, and at concept. So you want that activity? We can do this also. But then if you want to do that activity, you can give to the community and say preposition of time. See? If you click, it will give you. See over here, activities are there, preposition of time. Can we do this now? First activity we will do. So particularly there is preposition of place, there is preposition of time. So everything you can find in the community already. Now over here, we are going to play the quiz. See this? Get ready. She works dash. Now morning has come. Morning ante ema. Morning ante emi. It's a day. So in the morning. ఇక్కడ టైమర్ ఉంది చూడండి. So ఇప్పుడు correct answer, bonus. Get ready. Question number 2. I have English class Wednesday, Thursday. ఇక్కడ డే వచ్చింది. డేస్ అంటే ఏమి మా ఆన్ వేయాలి. సే ఆన్. కరెక్ట్ గా? థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. గెట్ రెడీ. అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చారు. ఐ హ్యావ్ లంచ్. ఇప్పుడు స్పెసిఫిక్ టైం ఇచ్చారు. టైం ఇచ్చారంటే ఏం ప్రపోజిషన్ వేయాలి? ఇన్, ఆన్, అట్? కరెక్ట్. సి ఆప్షన్, అట్. Like this, you can keep playing. ఇప్పుడు గ్రేమ్ మీకు బోనస్ రౌండ్ ఉంది. బోనస్ రౌండ్ కావాలంటే క్లిక్ చేయాలి. సో just imagine now this activity. I don't want to play like this in game show. ఇక్కడ టెంప్లెట్స్ తెలుసా మీకు? కెన్ యూ సీ దీస్ టెంప్లెట్స్? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, గేమ్ షో, క్విజ్, ఓపెన్ బాక్స్, మేస్, చేస్, ఏరోప్లేన్, చాలా టెంప్లెట్స్ ఉంది. మీకు కావాలంటే ఈ టెంప్లెట్స్ లో ఏం టెంప్లెట్ కావాలా యూ కెన్ చూస్ అండ్ ప్లే ద గేమ్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ గేమ్ షోలో ఉంది. నాకు గేమ్ షో వద్దు, నాకు క్విజ్ కావాలా. అప్పుడు అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ క్విజ్ క్లిక్ చేసామంటే ఆ టెంప్లెట్ మార్చిపోయింది. చూడండి చూడండి, ఆ టెంప్లెట్ మారిపోయింది. సి, కెన్ యూ సీ? నౌ ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ అ క్విజ్, జంగ్ జంగ్ సౌండ్ అల్లి ఏం లేదు. సింపుల్ గా క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతావు, ఆన్సర్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. షీ వర్క్స్ డాష్ ద మార్నింగ్. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్, టెంప్లెట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ చేంజ్డ్. మీకు ఏ టెంప్లెట్ కావాలా యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, షీ వర్క్స్ డాష్ ద మార్నింగ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు ఐ హ్యావ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాసెస్, డేస్ వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇనఫ్ టైమ్ టు థింక్. అక్కడ ఏమి క్విజ్ గేమ్ షో అంటే ఫాస్ట్ టైమర్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ టైమర్ లేదు. యూ కెన్ థింక్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వెనస్డే, థర్స్డే డేస్ వచ్చింది, అందుకే ఆన్ క్లిక్ చేశారు. మళ్ళీ సార్ ఏమి? ఐ హ్యావ్ లంచ్ 11:30 యాట్. ఆన్సర్స్ అన్ని మీకు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ లో చెప్పండి మీరు. ఐ వర్క్, నైట్ వచ్చారు. నైట్ అంటే యాట్ రాయాలి. ఇన్ ద నైట్ వచ్చింది, ఇన్ రాయాలి. యాట్ స్పెసిఫిక్, నైట్, అట్ నైట్. ఐ వర్క్ అట్ నైట్. వి యూజువలీ గో టు ద బీచ్. సమ్మర్ సీజన్ వచ్చారు. సీజన్ అంటే ఏమి? ఇన్. He was born dash. చెప్పండి, ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. ఇయర్ వచ్చారు. ఇయర్ అంటే ఏమి? ఇన్, ఆన్, అట్? ఏం వచ్చారు వస్తావు? రైట్, ఇయర్ వస్తావంటే ఇన్. బర్త్డే ఇస్ డాష్. మంత్ వచ్చింది ఏప్రిల్. అప్పుడు మంత్ వచ్చింది, ఏం చెప్తావు మీకు అక్కడ? ఆన్ ఏప్రిలా, ఇన్ ఏప్రిలా, లేకపోతే అట్ ఏప్రిలా? ఇన్ ఏప్రిల్. కరెక్ట్. సో ఇలాగా మీరు మై బర్త్డే ఇస్, ఇక్కడ మంత్ కూడా వచ్చింది, డేట్ కూడా వచ్చింది. అలాగే ఏం చేస్తావు మళ్ళీ? మై బర్త్డే ఇస్ On December cheptava, in December, at December. Yes, you have to see my birthday is on. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ రాంగ్ చేస్తావంటే ఏమి చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఆనే ఆన్సర్ కదా, ఇప్పుడు రాంగ్ అంటే ఇక్కడే ఆన్సర్ చూపిస్తావు. ఓకే, సో బికాస్ ద ట్రైన్ లీవ్స్, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 8:30, at 8:30 ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆన్ వేస్తావంటే ఇక్కడ నాకు ఆన్సర్ ఏది కరెక్ట్ అది చూపిస్తావు. ఓకే, ద ట్రైన్ లీవ్స్ యాట్ ఏ ఆన్సర్, ఇక్కడ యాట్ ఆన్సర్. మళ్ళీ నేను ఇన్ వేస్తావంటే లేకపోతే ఆన్ వేస్తావంటే చూడండి ఆన్ తప్పు, యాట్ ఏ కరెక్ట్, అక్కడ చూపిస్తావు చూడండి. ఐ లైక్ రీడింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ డాష్ సమ్మర్, సమ్మర్ అంటే సీజన్, ఇన్ సమ్మర్. ఓకే, సో అలాగా చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంది అంటే ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సి చాలా క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది. వెన్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు ఈట్ నెక్స్ట్, ఇది క్వశ్చనే టీచర్. we will not be asking someone like this, but the teacher has prepared like this. If you want to avoid this question, you can avoid it also. When are you going to eat next? Okay, నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి మండే డాష్ మండే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, మండే డే వచ్చింది ఏమై ఆన్ మండే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ షీ యూజువలీ గోస్ టు ద పార్క్ విత్ హర్ కజిన్. దెన్ ఐ నెవర్ డ్రింక్ మిల్క్ డాష్ లంచ్ టైమ్. క్యా లంచ్ టైమ్ అంటే ఏమొచ్చు స్పెసిఫిక్ లంచ్ టైమ్. మీ స్కూల్లో 12 o'clock, నా స్కూల్లో 12:30, అలాగా డిఫరెంట్ మళ్ళీ స్పెసిఫిక్ టైం ఉంది అట్ లంచ్ టైం. షుడెంట్ గో అవుట్ అలోన్ డాష్ అట్ నైట్. సో అన్ని అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్స్ చెక్ చేశారు అంటే షో ఆన్సర్స్ చేయాలి అంటే అందరూ ఆన్సర్స్ చూపిస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు పర్పస్లీ వి మేడ్ 2 ఆన్సర్స్ రాంగ్, సో ఇట్ విల్ షో ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో. సి షో ఆన్సర్స్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి షీ వర్క్స్ డాష్ ద మార్నింగ్, ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్. I have English classes on Wednesdays and Thursdays. I have lunch at 11:30. I work at night. We usually go to the beach in the summer. He was born in 1990. Her birthday is okay in April. My birthday is ఇక్కడ on correct answer in నేను క్లిక్ చేశారు. Purposely we did wrong to see how it is showing. So student can go wrong. So మీకు correction చేయకూడదు. You need not correct. The app itself will correct the answers. So oral, viva and all, you can call children and tell them to click on the right answer. Okay, you don't have to prepare much on this, but ensure whichever activity you're taking, the questions are typed properly, because these activities are created like teachers. No. So this the train leaves at, ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ at on లేదు. I like reading outside in summer. When are you going to eat next? At dinner time. Then on Monday afternoon she usually goes to the park with her cousin. I never drink milk at lunchtime. You shouldn't go out alone at night. Okay, so we are done with activities. If you would have any doubts, anything, please ask me so that I will clarify. I have got any answers in the question bank. Which app we should download and containing all this. You don't have to download. You just go to your Google Chrome and then type whatever I told you, 3 apps. One is O Labs, Amrita O Labs. One is FET and one is Word Wall. You don't have to download anything. You just go to the Chrome. Like how if we have any doubt, we'll Google. Like that, go to Google Chrome and type it. You will automatically get it. Yes? Clear? Okay, thank you for your participation, Maheshwari. You have typed in and all that. One more, Srinu sir, is your doubt clarified now? Yes? Anything else which I should know from your end? Please let me know how was the session. How did you like last 5 minutes? I would like you all to tell me how did you like the session. Please give your feedback. Was it informative? Would you use that in your with your students? Yes. Srinu sir has told. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Yes. Baga unnara. Baga unda. Baga undi. Should I say that? Yes. Session baga unda. Right? Baga undi. మీరు చెప్తావు కదా. Yes. All right. So we'll wind up the session. Was the session informative? Would you implement in your class? Yes. Would you try and come back and let me know? Yes. Already you have told that it was informative and we will definitely try. Yes. Everything is fine, ma'am. Thank you, Nirmala, ma'am. Okay. I guess there's no other people who are telling the feedback that I can get some claps and thumbs up. Thank you so much for your appreciation. There is some hand raise also. You have here raised your hands. ZPH School. Do you have any doubts? If you have doubts, please tell me in question answers. I will be able to answer you. Yes, ZPH School. You have raised your hands. You have any doubt, please type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can unmute also and speak. Would anyone would like to unmute? Admin, please give them unmute so that they can unmute and speak. Cheppandi. Unmute chesi mere feedback iyandi. I will feel very happy. Yes. Thumbs up icharu. All right. Okay. So I guess no one is, able to unmute. Okay. We'll wind up the session. All right. Anything else which I should see? I'm just trying to scroll. Okay. Done. Post this, I am not able to see any comments. All are good to go. Thank you, ma'am. They have said. Okay. All right. So I'll end my session now. Jai Vidya Shakti, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you, sir.